Okay, I'm in Walmart and we're going down the aisle to look at the cough drops. And here are the brands for the cough drops. You have Cola, which honey lemon sounds pretty good. You have the Halls brand and the Halls brand Defense and the regular Halls brand. It's like $3.50, kind of expensive. The Ricola brands start about $1.75 and they go up in price. Let me move down. And we have more Halls, pretty good prices. And we have Luden's, which is $1.74 for the small bag. Wild cherry sounds good. And you have more Halls. I actually go for Halls is a brand that I actually trust. I know I would go for the wild cherry. My other pick would probably be the Ricola honey lemon. And my last one would be the Halls Triple Soothing Action. There's my three.